Good morning to all my grateful heart travelers. It's your girl Apri, back with another vlog. This week we are here in the beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica, staying at the Excellence Oyster Bay. And you guys come join me on a nice morning walk. Just to give you some insight about the property, this is an all-inclusive resort, which means all food and drinks are included with your stay. Technically, this resort is also in what they call Foulmouth, Jamaica, which, for those of you who have not been here yet, is technically just outside of Montego Bay, so not very far at all. This beautiful area we have here is considered the main pool, and this main pool has a swim-up bar. It's attached to a restaurant where you can grab some food and snacks. And as we progress throughout the resort, I'm going to be taking you into the Excellence area. So if you decide to book this hotel, there are two different categories. There's your normal room category, and then there's also the Excellence Club category. And that particular category gives you access to some additional perks, like upgraded drinks, a special area where you can enjoy a relaxing day. So come walk with me as we tour the Excellence property. And here's a quick map detailing some of the layout of the property. Hey guys, so as you can see along this journey, this is kind of where the Excellence Beach House area begins. So all of these particular rooms like this are the beach house area, which means you get direct beach access through one of these walkways. And these are some really beautiful rooms. I'm personally staying in a rooftop plunge pool room, which I believe is equally as nice, because I'm not a person that has to sit like right on the beach. And to be honest, I think the rooftop plunge rooms get an overall better view, because look, right here, if you can see, the glass in the pool area is kind of frosted, and I've done a tour of those rooms, and depending on which beach house you get, the visibility isn't as great as you think it would be. But I say, hey, try it out for yourself, judge it for your own experience. But me personally, I actually really like the rooftop plunge pool better, but that's just my personal preference. Let's see. So this pathway kind of actually runs throughout the entire property. Right now, as I mentioned earlier, we are headed towards the Excellence Club, and this is where you'll have a designated, like I said, beach area, which is right over here to the right. And if you look at that little kind of station, so to speak, over there, that actually is where you can get your sunscreen, some champagne, anything that you need to feel refreshed and relaxed. You can actually get at that little kind of gazebo, Excellence Club, concierge area right there. All right, see here. All right. So let's go ahead and keep going. And once we get near the middle of this path, we're going to come across the Excellence Bar. So this is a bar that is exclusive to Excellence Club members. And when you book the Excellence package, you're able to actually have access to this the entire length of your stay. So you guys, as we're walking along, I forgot to mention the Millet Spa. So I'll be giving you guys a closer tour of the spa area later this afternoon. We kind of have an all-day spa package booked starting at around 2 p.m. today. So it'll be me and some of the ladies getting the works at the spa. So it's actually right here, which is directly across from the Excellence Bar that I was mentioning a moment ago. So great location, I would say. The property is a nice size, but not too big to where it's overwhelming. And like I said, I'll give you guys a deeper tour of the spa later. Let's see here. Over to the right, as I mentioned, this is the Excellence Bar, which is directly attached to the Excellence Beach, so it makes it super convenient. I'm not sure if they sell snacks here, or I should say have snacks here, but definitely will look into that later, and I'll drop it in the description so you have an idea. And just in case you kind of missed a little bit of the map earlier, here is the map of the property. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to get some more details around that. All right. Good morning. All the staff here, you guys, is absolutely amazing. So to all my Grateful Heart travelers who are looking for a beautiful resort to come and relax at, Excellence Oyster Bay is definitely a top pick for me. This is my second time at this property, and honestly, I came back again not only for the beautiful accommodations, but also for the staff. They truly, truly make your stay excellent. All right, look at this beautiful water. All right, so let's go ahead and keep going along this path. We're still heading over to the Excellence private pool area. So once we get a little bit closer to that, I'll tell you more information. Come along. So as you can see, it was just a quick walk over to the exclusive Excellence Club Lounge. Okay, so if you look over to the left, when you first walk up to the Excellence Club Lounge, you'll notice there are some bikes here. These bikes are free for Excellence Club members to use throughout the property. And so anytime you're interested in taking a nice leisurely bike ride, feel free to grab one of the bikes and just return them once you're done. See here. All right. So over to the left here, when you first walk in, there's a set of restrooms. Upstairs here, hopefully you guys can still see it, but upstairs is what's called the Magna Club. Well, actually, it's just the Magna Restaurant. This is where you can have breakfast. I believe they also serve dinner here occasionally, and I'm actually gonna go and have breakfast up there later, so we'll get to see a closer look of that. Feel free to tune into another video. Now, when you first check in to Excellence Club, this is where you'll come. This room in particular is where you will check in for your hotel stay. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Excellent. How are you?
Good, good. This is one of the amazing Excellence Club concierge staff, I should say. They will help you check in as soon as you arrive at the resort, and they do such an amazing job of making you all feel welcomed and appreciated. And I'll be honest, you guys, just walking in the door, it smells absolutely amazing in here. So just that alone makes you want to come back. So see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. All right, guys, so once you've checked into the resort, you may want to go ahead and pop into this bar area, which again is exclusive to the Excellence Club Lounge. Beautiful furnishings. Come and relax. And good morning, you guys.
Good morning.
So this fabulous lady made me an amazing espresso martini yesterday. Woo woo! All of the staff here has been absolutely amazing. Been a really, really awesome time. Now, look, you guys, don't judge it right now because it is super early, so everyone's kind of cleaning up. But I do want to give you an idea of what you can expect when you arrive over in this area. So this is the exclusive Excellence Club pool area. It has plenty of loungers in this area where you can kind of sit and relax. Also, direct access over here to the pool area. See here, and then also again direct access to the ocean. So I was sitting over there the other day, super comfortable. So highly recommend you come out. And then over to the right, this is still a part of the Magna Restaurant. So when you come, you can actually have indoor or outdoor seating. And these are just some of the chairs where you can come and relax. Now, keep in mind, it's before 8 a.m. So they haven't actually set out any of the white tablecloths. But once they do, this actually is really, really beautiful. And the service here is always top notch. All right. So let's take you back around. Good morning. Hi. So these are the amazing staff that help keep these grounds so beautiful. Y'all have them to thank for why this property looks amazing. So thanks, guys.
Enjoy your trip home.
So you guys, just here at the end of the Excellence Club pool area is a beautiful gazebo. So if you're looking to actually maybe get married while in Jamaica, this would be the perfect ideal location. It truly overlooks the water. And I know the staff here will do an excellent job of getting this all prepared for you. And as you can see, it's directly outside the Excellence Club lounge area. So imagine this at sunset, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so that concludes our brief walk-in tour this morning. So far in this video, what we've seen is the Excellence Club lounge area. We've seen the exclusive beach area, as well as checked out the Excellence Club check-in area. So if you have any questions more specific to any one of those areas, please feel free to drop a comment and let me know. Once again, it's your girl Apri here at Grateful Heart Travels, and I always appreciate you guys tuning in. So if you like this video and want more information, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It is always appreciated. So until the next video, happy travels.